So today I've travelled down to Ulverston and I'm doing a Ford park run. Okay. Looks like a nice interesting course, however it is 3.5 laps. Okay, so a nice circular route. Okay, so should be good. There's lots and lots of volunteers here and they've all set up pretty early, so hopefully it should be a really nice run. And I'm walking through parts of it now and it looks really interesting. Part of the course, and the main road through is just down there.
We call it a gravel path. Yeah, we make a right turn. Just as a little guide, there's a log that's painted white. When you see the white log, turn right. Then join the perimeter path. So before we start, first of all, good morning and welcome to Ford. Sorry I couldn't get the better weather. This is what happens when I don't have Amazon Prime. So this is what we're sticking with. First of all, do we have any first timers?
Clearly I need to go and investigate what this is on the hillside here. Can you see it? I'll have to have a walk up there and see what's what. So this is where you can support the cafe afterwards. Looks really nice and cosy, and the toilets are in that building where the door is open, so all useful for you. Nice park run. So this is Ford Park Run. It felt like 4 laps, but they did have a minor change in the course, and I've got to be honest, I really don't know what that is, but there were lots of volunteers all cheering you on, and strangely enough, I quite liked this course. It seemed to have a little bit of everything, so well done Ford. It's great, I loved it. Who knows where I'm at next week, just as always, because it's always a last minute decision on a Friday night. Okay, but sign up, tune in and subscribe. Speak to you later.